How to make bole. So first you want to open your plantain. I'm using alright plantain for this video. First you want to peel that off. It's ripe plantain is usually easier to peel, but for someone who has sugar, the doctor recommend a ripe plantain. So I'm making this for my dad at home. Being able to make bole at your own given time is just something wonderful. So this is how you want to peel them all open. So I got a couple of sets and I had that peeled up, washed it, and used a serviette to dab out all the liquid like moisture, basically the water I used to wash it. Make sure that it's dry. Then I just take oil. I'm going to just take oil and make sure that oil is rubbed generously all over the body. Now this bole is just juicy and moist, and that's one thing my dad loves about this bole. This is my recipe. It's unlike the one that is commercially bought. This isn't very dry, so I'm going to take aluminum foil. I don't think you can do this without aluminum foil. I think this is a key ingredient in making your bole. So I want to take my aluminum foil, place them back down on the baking pan, and I'm going to grease that with vegetable oil too, generously, like you're hearing me say generously. Don't be greedy with that oil. Then I'm gonna just lay my plantains down. Why I use this pan with line is to mimic that line that usually comes off roasting. So make sure the oven is preheated at the highest and just let that sit there for 10 minutes. And now this 10 minutes in the bole is in the oven, so you want to turn it to the other side and put it back in for about another 10 minutes, and voila, in 20 minutes or less your bole is ready to serve with your favorites. Don't forget to subscribe so I can retire my cute husband. It means so much to me if you guys subscribe. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe.